Hey everyone, I'm Karen and this is Chosen and Precious Farm, and in today's video I'm going to show you an update of our mobile home. Alright, so we're going to start where we started before, from the back deck. So from the back deck we go straight into the kitchen. We've put the floors. We've painted all the walls. In the last video you would have seen me painting this kitchen green. What you didn't see was me putting the hardware on because I hadn't gotten it yet, but I kept these ones. They were the original ones, and then I just put new hardware on there. Don't mind those two, I haven't finished them yet. They're right here. Everything that's down there is all the tools and stuff that we're using to renovate, so I just have it there instead of putting it away. Here is the laundry section. I haven't found any cabinets that I like yet, so we haven't put anything there yet. So right now I'm just keeping chicken feed. I have a cat door. Here's from the door again. Alright. We also took the time to put these blinds in, and I'll show you that real quick. Wow, tapó bastante. Ya está súper bueno. We did these blinds because there was so much heat coming in from here that we needed some blockout blinds. Now, did you see how dark it just got in here? Beautiful. Best purchase I think we've ever done in the history of ever. Okay, so straight off the kitchen is the master bedroom. We put the carpet in the master bedroom. And we moved in some furniture. That's my kitten. Well, she's not a kitten anymore. She's like a teenager. She is 3 years old. And of course, we have the stuff I don't know what to do with yet because I haven't decorated anything else, so I'm just keeping that here. But we've moved in my old dresser that I've had since I was a teenager. This is a king size bed. That right there is a jewelry dresser. I'll show it to you up close now. And then I also have this vanity that is vintage. I got it at a thrift shop. And then the chair that I reupholstered to match with the vanity. The closet, we haven't done anything to the closet yet. It's kind of organized but messy at the same time, if you know what I'm saying. And then here is that jewelry dresser. It's very pretty. It has like the velvet on the inside as well. And this is a mirror that folds up. And then random box in the corner. If anyone has cats, you'll understand the random box in the corner. Love you, mommy. I love you, mamor. I love you, me baby. Okay, bathroom. We've done nothing to the bathroom. We had leftover carpet, so we decided we should probably put some of this carpet here so we're not stepping on the floor and like getting it to like scuff up and stuff, and for more comfort for us. So we put this leftover carpet on the floor. So far it's working good for us until we can get this flooring, this bathroom entirely done. But we've done nothing here. This closet full of stuff. And I mean, until we fix up the other closet, that's all gonna stay there. The tub, still amazing as ever. Having lived in a camper for 1 year and 4 months, still loving the tub. This is gonna go. It's gonna be completely ripped out, but since we're not ready for that yet, we've kept it. Also, look at the smudges. I have to clean this daily. Anyone else have a husband whose daily motivation in life is to splatter on the mirror? Raise your hand. Yes. And then the poopy room. All right, so let's come out of here and go to the other side. All right, so from the kitchen here is the living room. It's a little bit orange right now. We covered up those windows because I don't have blinds yet for those windows. Again, for the heat. So here is the living room. The floor looks great, and I'm loving the white walls compared to what it looked like before. And then I found this table at a thrift shop. Hold on, let me show you. So I'm at Habitat for Humanity, and I really wanted to decorate our house with reused furniture and things like that. So I have been going around looking for stuff, and I just found a table today and I bought it. It comes with the 2 chairs. It has an extender, but look at how different this is. Oh my gosh, it looks like something you'd see at like Restoration Hardware or like things like that. So beautiful. I bought it $125. Crazy. And so far it looks great here. I have not decided yet if I'm gonna put the dining here, if I'm gonna put the dining here, or if I'm gonna be bold enough to put it here. I kind of feel like it can fit here. So I haven't made any decisions yet, but we're gonna move it around and see what I like best. I guess it also depends on what furniture I'm gonna put over there, but for now it's staying there. And then got some chickens. Got some babies in here. Hi ladies. How are you doing? Put the light back on? Okay. All right. So, as you can tell, I haven't put up any of the doors yet. Honestly, at this point, we're just being lazy. And then this is the remaining floor that we have, and that's going to be for the bathroom. And then all of the other tools and stuff. this is a box of stuff I just need to find a place for. This is trash we need to take out. This is the front door. So from the front door, you would see this way. Also, we're keeping that. I love it. It works great. And the fan works great as well. So yes, we're keeping that. And then we're gonna go down the hall here. Again, the floor looks beautiful. We haven't done any of the trim yet. So again, like I said, we're being lazy. First room is our daughter's room. And with her room, we haven't really done much either. She has those drawers down there, and I haven't fixed up her closet yet, but closets will be in another video. And then exiting her room, we've got the bathroom there. I need to put some shades up so you don't see us when we're in here. And then I haven't put the vanity here yet. Eventually we'll get to it. And then this is another room. An old mattress. And where I'm working right now. And then this closet is pretty full. So my home office. And then that's pretty much it. Outside, we haven't done anything outside. There's nothing to see much outside. If you've seen my land video, that's pretty much what it still looks like. But I can show you here. Also, the cat door, or the doggy door, my cat is an indoor-outdoor cat, so she goes potty and stuff outside, which is a blessing. So I don't need to have any, you know, stinky litter box for her. Outside, we have not done anything except, you know, keep the grass cut and keep the trees alive, you know, and the animals alive. But I will show you. We just put our teenager chicks outside, and they're over here. You can probably already see a couple of them. Hi, ladies. Hi. I have 10 teenager chicks, and then the other ones, you can see them in there. I left them a box over there because since this coop is shared with the adult hens that I have, I just wanted them to have a place where they felt like they could escape to. But they're doing pretty good. Hi, ladies. They're going through their ugly duckling phase, but they are going to be so cute. Come here. Come here. Did I scare you? My bad. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment on these videos. I am answering all of your comments, and hope you guys have a wonderful weekend. God bless you.